The two-bedroom log cabin Daisy offers over 73 square meters of flexible indoor living space, as well as a large covered veranda area. With a large open-plan living area, you can create defined areas for cooking, eating, relaxing, or even working. With one ensuite bathroom, there is also a second room that can be utilized as a shower room or toilet for the second bedroom and for visitors. Full-length double-glazed windows in each room ensure this characterful cabin is filled with natural light. It is also possible to make custom design changes to this model if you require.